evolution. Water. New model. From the internationally acclaimed LeveLuk SD series, the newly evolved LeveLuk SD501DX is now available, featuring 4 new functions. 4 evolutions. 8 languages. Now supports 8 languages with the addition of 3 new ones. In addition to English, Japanese, French, German, and Spanish, the following languages have been added: Chinese, Portuguese,
Água Kangen 9.5,
and Vietnamese.
Nước Kangen 9,5.
Furthermore, the color LCD monitor has been enlarged, making text easier to read. The LED light makes it easy to check the level of the enhancer solution. Power supply. Equipped with a standard multi-voltage power supply compatible with global standards from 100 volts to 240 volts. LeveLuk SD501DX, the new model with 4 new features. Changing the world's concept of water. A new model from the internationally recognized LeveLuk SD series. Change your water. Change your life. Energy.